Hey guys, welcome to Blue Fire TV. My name is Brittany Michelle, but call me Blue. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I do my half up, half down braids. So if you want to know how I do them, then keep on watching. Half up, half down braids are a very simple protective style. It's simply box braids in the back, and in the front you can either have feed-ins or regular cornrows. As far as the box braids, you can make them as big or as small as you would like, or as your client would like, depending on the desired look at the end of the service. For this particular client, I'm doing the braids medium, and honestly, when I'm doing this style, I typically stay between a small and medium. I never go to a large size, just because personally I feel like it never looks good regardless. So I stay between a small and medium, and like I said before, for her hair we're doing a medium size because she doesn't want her hair really full. If your client does want her hair full, then you can make the braids small. So you just have to, it's a science to it, you guys. You can't, and you also can't do small braids on every client. If my client's hair is extra thin, I'm not going to put small braids in her hair because her hair isn't going to be able to take it. If I put those small braids in her hair, that's going to put a lot of tension and could potentially cause damage to our hair. So it's a science to all of it. You have to take account in your actual client's hair quality and the state of their hair before you do the style, and adjust the style to your client's hair, as well as, you know, the head shape and everything else. There's a lot that goes into this, guys. We just, as stylists, we just aren't having fun in your hair, okay? So personally, for this hairstyle, I prefer to use the feed-in method for the front instead of the regular cornrow method, because with the feed-ins, it gives you a more natural look. It's less tension on your hairline, and which ultimately is less tension on your edges, because we want those edges and we want your hair to still be healthy even though it's cute. One of the things I promote more than anything is healthy hair over everything. And this is something that is so important to me, because I feel like where we are today is 2019, and I feel as though people are worried more about the way that their hair looks versus the actual quality of their natural hair. Yes, protective hairstyles, these braids, sew-ins, weaves, frontals, there's so many different types of protective hairstyles. They look amazing, and no, you don't have to worry about your hair necessarily. However, just because your hair is in a protective hairstyle, meaning that your hair is tucked away, it does not mean that you do not have to care about your hair, or that you shouldn't think about or give any type of energy to caring for your hair while it's in a protective style, as well as before and after a protective hairstyle, because ultimately that defeats the entire purpose of a protective hairstyle. If your hair is in an unhealthy state before a protective hairstyle, that protective hairstyle isn't going to do anything but damage your hair. And that's something that a lot of people, I feel, don't know. But I'm going to explain that and go deeper into that in another video. So yeah, let's go ahead and get back to this particular video. Alright guys, so I've already blow dried her ends, just making sure that her hair is completely dry. And we're all done. I'm just going to spray some holding spray on it, do one last blow dry, and we're all finished. Alright, so that's all I have for you all today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video. If you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of my latest content for you all. Also, what do you think of this video? What do you want to see next? Comment below for me so that I can go ahead and get those things ready for you guys. I always comment back. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Book online at www.BluFireDesigns.com. You can follow me on Instagram at BluFireDesigns, on Facebook at BluFireDesign, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.